Oh, we're on the air.
You mentioned, why don't we take a tour of the other room?
The other room?
Yeah.
Take a tour of the other
Why don't
room.
you close that door there?
This door will be closed. This is, as Dave Cook calls it, the other room. Got Kathy Lee Crosby, Donny Osmond, me. Never mind. We got Listerine, who we're also brought to you by today. Vinyl-Net.
What's in that room, Mitch? Turn the light on.
This is commonly called the shitter.
Wait, what was that thing on the wall?
Canadian flag, you traitor.